Okay, abusia ya chiamo emma kwaba sonko kwan so GH Live Studios and I am Eddie Eshiamu said your money no yenua a wa free Kumasi Asante Kotoko Asweye with regards to Nsuaterman game omokoboy and enra ye mu nchemu bebre ebro na yekuta latest update. This is what we know now. You see arrest bia tuja Kotoko Chita fire press conference. You see team no and so at remember withdraw Kotoko. What are they also doing? And when you go straight to Asante Kotoko Menshia and Potamon National House of Chiefs. Na a honominal Jumedia A2 Jano Yaka Kofa Ebina Yadi Ama in a team for Yensen Training and another Kwame Gracious ever present or normal in 70 Nano air 3 and in Baransana and then another Kwame Gracious bidding command. Yentie so far so a near mouth doa. Ato dwa na ekɔ so Kotoko empanyimfo be pie ho nyina obi a ahye tuntun bi afrantoma rehosem na akɔso yie pa no nti ekɔ ni akɔ akɔfa ni nyina na the free move ba no ye de ama inatie for exclusively.
Said your chairman can you can must say your chairman. I will have some see football. You're penny quite here. The castle won't be done near one. I dare see I was as I'm taking for match and non boy. Miniam net. Yes, I make us say Tim Grant. Back or no, and the market of support and you are more or any girlfriend or more and the man in your pool. And then say, nobody can hear a free bed 12 o'clock for the year. Young Canada. Never we have a match now, second half. Player beat player and a players no sort of play. If the players know we are 10 minutes. And I just a stop match. If you stop match, no, na papa no tini mechi, you who so a sipon, no more beer in a perimeter na man, and we will a call. It will call and a kakran or sabai. To all more than search treasure. Or the search treasure, every time say, yeah, no, I say, not just say, your cousin and not to, and was there, Akosiapia is sunny and run. It is supported someone say, ah, they're the own son, Russell. And to question a dear baby. Or nobody be between an end, and dear Manima. To support us, Nana, a Yakotoko supporters now, or Mitian, and so on, Manima. Tianuna Papa no Baya, or Pessoa Fa, Kosiapia, and a Policat and so on the family. And when Papa Diane, and our friends supporters. So, there are so many Pooley and family. Eti ọmọ bá asanso yẹn fi ẹntàn sẹ ọmọ mẹfà poli ọmọ di ne nkwa eti ẹyẹ akasakasa so bẹẹni obi àmú obi bàtà ẹyẹ akasakasa sáà bẹẹ 20 minutes ẹnsa na ọmọ ju nkọfọ nàbọ ẹnna baako bẹ ká kyerẹ mi sẹ mi ká kyerẹ poli ní wọn sọrọ ní wọn kọ ọwákyẹ na bìẹ ntwa eti ẹ bá bẹ bọ bọọlù amaneɛ. I'm sorry, I'm not part or much. So, much over here, and never found the and your catchers will Papa permission. And more people to give a Papa permission. And I just are sending a child. And she said, you bet 20 minutes, and Sana, referee a statue ball. The referee is statue ball. Yes, so Kotoko to be a question. You who are young on person, yea. If you have this as I am Capoli, young Naya Shamat, never found more. The same policy from several targeting. Get more yet more papa no radio station. Or no, and more papa walk at Kakabi, and the Pooley. And I am Jim. Several say, why now? Or war, bonus kind. Wa master you. Eti e wo na kofa ne bae. Omo pray fifie no bae. Eti e member see that omo one of this kind. Baby so this kind boy. What your doctor's report be ba mu bemu. Who shall wa kum nipa na. Because nipa dey step you wo this kind crack and na ho be. Say let me you. Na tim dey walk on the one akuma. E ma mo jani nu egu niye. Eti ebe asanu ni enye sorry ti ebi ona chese me call baby ha ya ni se ye pe body no nya sa na kia so eti ehun hwim ya ka nipa be 20 eti adi no call hospital na chese adi no hu hwem kra se ni wa o free eti e pese ka kire wo na mu se ni ema ye eri de me se eye bafo papa na ni team no omo ena yi sati supporters no emo mo yes adi Mesdames.
So, Chairman A5 now, Wakasa again, quite fast what incidents so it take place. So, when we imagine get transfer also at the amount as a national house of chief and a white DPR and so at the A3 and so at the amount to join our subscribe and share videos. Maybe I come out.
And he said, yeah, but and never be able to get see you doing more. Was it has a bomb march from her? I'm a little bit to 1 point. Near a umbrella for what about. Get the DDR matter too much than for this after. I do it to sit down. Set support after the kind, and they want support that. If it's in that after midnight, I didn't see a year in a hey, I can't say. Before I get my year, I'm a name as a star. Then I go in the future. I feel where I got the man. The management members, the common with packet to ask you. I'm going to go. I'm going to police station. Bobo, where did you go? The boss is about to you got that super school. Here to you're very forty, healthy, and you won't see it. As a job for some of you people saw it, not every day saw it, but we don't talk about it. I mean, first I didn't see it. You call intensive, go much. What we do them, I only say that you do them. I didn't see any of the any message go our your supporters are only private security. I'm going to move black. That's a part of the so I'm going to move black. Obviously, I get you this year. You got 2 more. Regional security, sorry, regional CID. Yeah, they don't go. Am I happy? I'm going to follow my former MP. Sorry, forgive me. Former MP. I am going to tell Castle. Yeah, you. But they are going to have a mama and me. I'm going to come here. Yen, you have to be idea. We are saying that we are talking about it. Say yes about it. I give you a talk about who we are, they don't be yet. And make sure, say, but yes, take what they see, the water. We talk about team management. We get them opposition. When they are going, very far away. We are talking about it. The team that's going to the class. We take that. We are not clear to control the team. I don't know if you are supporting them. But if they are going to play without the name of the can say who's a person for me, and then we'll be a year for to him, they will be there. But who said, Ghana, fine. Any effort, any your friends say, if you go to the word, come before you have a year for them. You got to football, you play the account, you are not part. Then you have to stop. I don't know. yɛyɛ de kaa aka wɔ ne nɛɛsɛ abɛsi baako asi yɛne deɛ kɔ baako bɛsɛ asi biem ɛbɛtumi asi mmiɛnsa ɔhene otumfoɔ mpɛ bakasa na ɛwuo bɛba nanso yɛtumi trɛte ɛma yɛde seɛ ɛwuru ɛma yɛhwene kakra because of 3 points na yɛne di bipɔ mɔ na yɛne ne mu sɛ bi a yɛne ha sopɔ fili na ɔtaagye 83% bɛwuo ɛne popo kabi a yɛne trɛte man yɛne mu yɛ sɛm koraa yɛne mu bibi a yɛ mu mabɛkɔ mu enti sɛ sɛ ɔma kyɛ sɛ ɔmabɛbɔ nana ɔmabɛtuma kɔde sɛ ɔmabɔ nana ɛyɛ sɛ sɛ yɛti yɛne mu yɛ sɛm yɛkɛ asɛm ha ɛne yɛbɛyɛ sɛ ɔbɛgya ɛfisɛ yɛn yɛsɛ ɔmɛ bɛsika yɛyɛ ɔdɔm sɛ yɛsɔre sɛ sɛ bi yɛ dɔm adi akyi ɔhene ɛma yɛ kwan ɛma yɛfɛ kɔma gyɛ deɛ sɛ yɛyɛ nti sɛ bi yɛti ɔhene akyi yɛti ɔhene ano yɛti ɔnamɔ baabi yɛ do yɛafɛ da we are very good at football. All the football teams there, Kotoko, we are coming out strongly. If the Umaya, Maswa Jamaya, you know what? Omaya, you know Any place I'm far. Obu asama, obu kemusa. But yes, sir. International basketball. So Maui, the two baby I say, and you have one of the idea. O my man say, o my man, you know, you Ethiopia, the one. Say, son, Ethiopia. Ghana, or from my book, why and worker?
That Chinese.
Why and worker? And after you could rest the people. It depends on where attacking and say, and the Pooley, what by one sound.
Also, Kumasi.
Why a general manager of that club? Why a security?
A police officer.
Emphatically, what can I say? Pooley
And Koba.
and Sankoba. And I got to a point. Me and me confronted Papa. I can't just Papa me no fit to go. My yard was me confronted because me no fear. And now we have last week you had a wedding on 1 year. The Papa no man here go. Many Papa see at the board. And Papa me no man yes sir. Because gas actually no. And our status no can support us down. And through baby, get that friend black channels or money.
Yeah, that Chinese.
Now, also, I'm not targeting Chama Damina and a Chama Alex and a Kotoko. It is Flash Hopper. And I'm a sister girl or Mokas Aston. Not a poor guy in the organizer. If I show us when I somebody else are doing, let's say the what? Again, I'm going to have the same girl. And then CEO is a manager now. You want to video everything. I'm can't say. The same people and a try say, I'm attacking a this over the Benjamin Alex. So you know, such a piece of violence. The opportunity came one thing. And I'm a catcher, and I'm not 2 step or 2 step by India. It's everyone sound of one hour. Like I said, Ignatius Yahweh and say, come up, Polypian, you're not Polypian. You're a guy of Shabon. Polypian, and a man is sick now, one woman. And the young said, I am planting. I am planting on planet. Eh, Bia, on my Bia. 7, Emma, I am. And the Sabi, your next match by our way. You can't have a problem. Only what you know, man. So there be a match about putting for back to what? You're more like the minute I say the that's our way back. na ko yɛ mi ɛnura ayɔnfo okontompo yina fɛ ɛtɔ kwasi apia te hɔ bi na ɔnkuku ba te sɛ deɛ biribi esi a yɛ ɔwɔ front ebi si bi Ghana nipa wɔ Ghana nyinaa yɛ kyɛn mmiɛnsa a anya bi akɔtɔkɔ bɛfɔ mmienu wɔn de yɛn fɛ biribi a nkasa Ghana nipa wɔ Ghana ɔmo a wɔn mu nyinaa yɛ kyɛn mmiɛnsa kɔtɔkɔ yɛn anya de yɛn fɛ baako wɔn bɛ nya yɛ wɔte bi da yɛbɔ yɛ sɔpɔtɔ tuo ɛwɔ baba yɛ asɔpɔtɔ tuo de ni yɛ sɛn na ni ɛdeɛ na ba yɛ. Yàgbọ́ ọmọ Ghana football ẹ̀kọ́ tó à. Yàgbọ́ òkúrò ní ẹni tí a ẹni máa sàǹtìmá yẹ́wùrà. Ẹ̀fọ́ ní òbí àtúrà ẹ̀kẹ́ ní ọwọ́ dọ̀. Sẹ́gbẹ́ tó gbàsọ́mà ọ̀sẹ̀ kìí ní ẹ̀yẹ. Nanso so bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí mi fire ẹni yẹn ti tiẹ̀ ntì. Ẹ̀tù gbàsọ́mà ẹ̀wù kẹsàn-án ní ẹ̀ma ẹ̀ fàtà. Yẹ bi. Láti ẹ̀jẹ̀ náà bà. Láti the club yẹn sàn sí Kotoko ẹ̀ka yẹn ń kó nẹ́ẹ̀nẹ́ dẹ̀ yẹn yẹn ti ṣe ní egungun wọ̀ ẹbí ìsìnkú ẹnití yẹn yẹ kẹ́kẹ́ yẹn management sẹ́ yẹn ti ní ṣẹ́ bìrà mà ẹni yẹn ti ní kyerẹ́ wọn yẹ wọ́n yẹ but yẹn supporters bẹ̀bi ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọn sẹ́ yẹ fi ọ̀hún yẹn gbọ́ yẹ obi abọ̀ ní yẹn gbọ́ yẹ obi abọ̀ ọ̀man football náà yẹ bọ̀ yẹ diẹ yẹ yẹ wọ́n fi yẹn ká wọn until say because ana yesra IGP dampare na yesra man bani John Dramani mama say so much of men emra ya eduma dia and ye can people say e won aba Ignatius the workers account the bodyguard ẹnu ti nọ ọmọ nkpọmọra no ẹnẹ dọm yẹn musa mpa Ghana ẹmọ anọ kyi sikẹni ẹti nyẹ ni ẹti di ọwọ bi ẹti di ẹni di ọni di nkura no ọwọ bisua yẹ bẹ sẹ ká We don't want to say allegation. We are not allegation. We are not allegation. They are telling the truth. They are telling you people the fact. There is no allegation here. If they want to almost be the we are ever ready to do the evidence and the support. We are ever ready. Say, I'm afraid they will do a statement. You can. And the proof with you and the comments and the videos are separated. Let me say this. They go for treat of the thing. They can't be go as far as you know. They don't need any report. Video evidence they can work on it. Nobody reported to the CIA. That's what they told us. So they are reporting based on video and we just like arrested. Video to play. Regular to play. Have you seen it? I've been active upon it. Because I have former minister. They are cheating on us. Because I have former minister. They are cheating on us. Because I is Canadian. I'm a Panya Mama. When you are IGP. And then what I found. Because I have former minister. One of the money in the bush for you get a drone. One in the bush for you get a drone. So now when you're somebody powering now and the man have to be a master. If you come and look for the leader, I'm going to make a Pooley and oversee for them. And I'm going to have an eye for it. It will go any 2 minutes. You know, Mr. Bush, again, and guy no say la force almost so yes the general manager we police it is an guy what here no na we see here get to car because we are doing say yes so the team that you get what is there ababa wa we get the picture ababa wa no David the president ababa wa David ababa wa no David e get that this one ababa wa when I say omo meku yeah
Mr. Ese table kasa ni muno asemi free about kwano baya Mr. Yi kakra eti papa na omumi mfa na ye ba ya mu se go foba ye politics wo ha o kan sem bia to me en kai eti mesem se babo fa no nko ha mesem ko yes wait kuna ma right so ni
Okay, Abushanchi, so far press conference, Emuisem ena wati biye Kotoko, I a lot of allegation, very angry allegation outdoor, ena omo ayeni so far enye fedi agrokra na enewushemwa supporters nso mo advice wo team sempenyufo entwe omo free Ghana League ni so far na enuachi omo nso there edi to just omo evidence and a video and picture and of course video footage omo the air trip say papa a friend say Ignatius Baifua awua a former member of parliament wo mpotamo ho no omo so on the orchestrate sa na ema nyina ema sansensem no etumi ede course so a ha adwin ye panti they are saying say empanyufo nton san frɛ no na ono so yemfa ni nyina mranim na afi papa no so weka baako a frɛ no say efia black Chinese Oma make allegation towards the lady say ono so eka ho bi ena sansensem we nyina no esi ye ema iwo pie mu omo se papa no security we police ni ono so eka ho bi ena sa ne ema ebaaye eno atwomtwom papa no efie anase papa no free ni nchi free fumesa ochirikrom Ignatius Bafo awua no ni nchi free fumesa ochirikrom enti due diligence bi asem panifo eyo na omode yie atuye no omonfanyo Kotoko mpanyimfo outdoor edi circles leadership no anim no owura demenya enso omode tuja se enra omode omonsa keka ne kakra ena afenso chairman Alexander Asaremanu nso omode omonsa keka no ade ehu pa ewa asem no nso kra ne se mpanyimfo echiremu Kotoko mpanyimfo echiremu se fans no circles mpanyimfo ni echiremu se ebra omuduru ho which is I'm quoting Chairman Solo omuduru stadium ha ena omo kachire womo that is papa na mu Ignatius Bafo awua no the security no womo eka ho ka se wo nana Pooley ene wa ba hai onsa emfa onkwa enkokumase. This is what allegation ora ni din ede Chairman Ofosuwari Chairman Ofosuwari yes Chairman Solo ena din same way etudwa. This is very what allegation Ghana Police Service. There's no need say you blinky mo eye e wo ho kra enti Kotoko press conference emu and out tie and afin so say do question time in central for bisa question e wo mu eno so e die to dwa e ho no mo enti enchewu ni nyina and say Owura Chairman K5 and edi nkan kasa na Owura Chairman K5 edi nkan kasa what the nsam atudwa e de afa ho say enra incident na esi nanim na onte enchen na ogina ho bi pepepe ena sansem ni nyina esi ye ono echiremu eka se opanyane din e de Ignatius Bafo awua sa papa yi ena oye se Owura Kwasi Apia ensimbra form na si a onsimbra form no na ntokwa asi awie onkamo players no ne referee down na ontimi ntoaso na bibia enkoso game no nanso ekokoba asa no de tie ene se omuka se omompene ma no enko supporters na that is Kotoko supporters na ka so omompene emma papa Kwasi Apia ensi form ne santi eba asa no Owura Ignatius Bafo awua eye se oba nanim e wo stadium ho VVIP ho ɛna ɔba no a ɔde ne nsa tetom so ba na Nana Pooley ɛkɔɔ ne nkyɛn sɛ wɔsi like ɔmpene ɛma yɛnua yi anaasɛ owura Kwesi Appiah nkɔ ɛnyɛ sɛ gidigidi kwan so na mmom ɛbaa saa papa no si ne bufu yɛ ɛma ɛhɔ na ɔmo ma yɛnua Nana Pooley ebu ntwerɛ anaasɛ obu nkotodwe ɛde papa no akyɛw nkadin akɔda enso ɛbaa saa na atenetene nsa ɛne kasatwitwe ɛne ntɔkwasɛm na hyɛaseɛ a ɛkɔ so a owura Christopher Daminyampo ɔmo de ɔmo nsa ɛka ano na kasa ne nyamu wei ɛyɛ nsɛm ahodo owura K5 ɛde tu gya owura K5 ɛkyerɛ mu a ɛbaa saa na nia yenyan ntomo soma obi ma ne koko gyina abɔnten hwɛ sɛ kwan mu da hɔ a ampomo kɔ na kwan mu da hɔ ɛna ɔmo ka sɛ ne Nana Pooley game no ba wie na ka sɛ o kɔ a sɛmbɔ ne besi enti Nana Pooley wo fa ho ne pie enti saa pɛpɛpɛ ɛna wɔmo ɛka enti Pooley pie no ɛna ɔmo hu sɛ owura Ignatius Baafo awua this is what the mpanyimfo ne ka ye quote wɔmo from the press conference ɔmo hu sɛ Ignatius Baafo awua ɛyɛ kɔ signal sɛ ɔmo nhyia boy no ɛna boy no nso na wanya pie awie enti ɔmo kɔ 2 minutes time ɔmo tell sɛ boe nipa mra no ɔmo kɔ yɛ na crash no emogya enyunu no na ɔmo kyerɛ mu a ɔpanyin K5 ɛne owura Christopher Daminya ɛna owura a ɔsare ɔhene mpo owura ɔno nso ka Kotoko mpanyimfo no ho yes ɛde tudwa sɛ nyame anim ne kure ni de tie yawmensa yes kan ne friend of yawmensa sisi a ninkonwa din de na na menim fa kyeme na owura of yawmensa emre bi sa di na ne friend sɛ de meka sɛ odi akonya kase enti enya menkai konya no ne din a odidi na owura yawmensa ene owura Christopher Daminya ne owura chairman K5 ene owura chairman Solo wo mu nipa nan titru ene ekasa ade kyerɛ mu sɛ ɔmo de ɛbaa saa no ɔmo hu sa koa no a ɔbo a ɔsekan no ɔmo frɛ no ma ne frɛ kyerɛ ne baayɛ ɛna obi a stadium hɔ no ma ɔde sekan no ɛwɔ yɛnua ne mfe ɛma amogya no ɛne ne kɔn ho ma amogya no enwunu gu yɛnua ne mu a wantumi anka de a ɔde ato ayanom ɛwɔ nseɛ do na ɔmo se boy no yɛ expert so ɔnyɛ expert a enka ontimi ntwe sekan no saa no ɛmfa nwɔ baabi a ɔde wɔɔyɛ no nam so ɔmo so ayɛ bi da saa na nsɛm a papa no ɛka ɛno no na ukyerɛ mu a ɔmo se nka stadium deɛ nka abi a picha ba mpa epra bi na obi apɔnkye obi na nka ebi a yakɔpam na yato aso a resolve amicably no ɔdɔ akɔ animu ba sa wode sekan ɛwu obi a wode wɔ ne mfim ɛne ne kɔn ho deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ premeditated a mpanyinfo bi ahyɛ da ɛfa ho adwene ma saa atwerɛ nkyɛm esiye Kotoko what are they saying deɛ ɔmo ka nyinaa ɛne sɛ league no mpanyinfo ntwe ɔmo ho mfirim ɛno akyi nso sɛ ɔmo ntwe ɔmo mfirim a Kotoko ka so ɔkɔ away anaasɛ ɔkɔ baabi a yes deɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ ne sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ da sɛ ɛnɛyi ɔmo betumi aka sɛ ɔmo toa so akɔ akɔhwɛ amanneɛma awie pɛ ɔmo bɛdi Kotoko akyi da ɛno ɛne arahosɛm ɛnɛyi ɛto dwa wɔ mu a yɛde ma ɛnɛtiefo exclusively ɛwɔ kasafidie yi so na ehia yie pa sɛ ɔtoa so adi akyi na nkyɛmu no yɛde ma this is what we know so far yɛmfa nsɛm no ɛnto dwa yes guy bi as say all trendy ɔmo se ɔno ɛka ho bi ɛna okum Pooley yɛntie nsɛm a ɛto dwa wɔ hɔ ne bi yes sisi ano information ho do bebree ɛna ɛba out a ehia yie pa se yɛkeka ne nyinaa ɛde ma yɛntie na ɔmo hu se de nsa no esi ɛkɔ yes yɛnhwɛ
Bluetooth connected.
DC soundbite ya ye boy akratiphobia na ewo stadium a allegedly oma ro mo top na boxer shorts da omo to so na omo atade ne da form na de omo kire nyina and they say not threatening worse na yent mean for ya no nka and na
Kotoko.
e to
And
ja and
if
also e de to ja ama in a tier for ya rahosem and ne koso na just by the way no sisia ankrofo e kire o madwen e fansen nsem a asie no ho ebi nso e ka bi fan Kotoko mpanyimfo and at this time around one more press conference that is circles leadership no and press conference bibia atumi atodwa saa no a omo edi on demand edi atodwa enye ketwa kra demand ahodo a omo edi todwa no no ene de etodwa ewo mu na sisia no revelations ahodo ena eba revelations ahodo bebre ena etodwa na eyare hosem ti say Pooley na yire ene ne madie na bekoso na yatese one guy omo arrest no yentie report in free home
18, who was actually a protector. Some chilling details of what happened. The breaking news is that some people have been arrested, and there was one controversial guy, and we are not parking this no sure Real Madrid just be actually 18, who was actually a protagonist in the whole chaotic manner. And then you're my course in the na ya try na Santos. Reports indicate him say police if watching. He was actually the guy that I saw. Odi can walk a guy be outside. And after me free scene, no investigation, then your man me yeah conducted just said that same guy, no esa bad you know walking Pooley outside and no any man obi one second. So that guy could be a key to this very investigation. Say either onimni pakro and now say it could be either him. So we don't know now. What?
Okay, yeah, or say your friend Hussein Adams. Thank you, Hussein Adams. Thank you so much for your accurate report. I would to now in training on the OBC Elbrekum Empata Mohonomo Hussein Adam and our lady and I said, oh, true, mamma, who said one guy, Yachini Sisia, into any Hussein Adam and then they or no certain report on A to Ja into OTS voice pop ya do to Jaya Yenya Hussein Adams report. Or in Century, our Bonan and Pottermore, and all this answer me to just one guy has been arrested.
I'm chilling details of chaotic manana, and then you're my course in the mono. Na ya try na Santos. Reports indicate him say police if watching. He was actually the guy that I saw. Odi can walk a guy be outside. And after me free scene, no investigation, then your man me yeah conducted just said that same guy, no esa bad you know walking Pooley outside. And no any man obi one second. So that guy could be a key to this very investigation. Say either onimni pakro and now say it could be either him. So we don't know. Now, what actually led to of the guy Kotoko fan? No, let me explain. The investigations that I've conducted from a lot of people are suggesting to me say Ignatius Bafo wa call park so all Pia Baniva because he called Pesia Pia Sombra inside. Fans and prevent anything. He was a bit angry. And he all first one he was one year baby a fans and it over 4 moon chin. That was where a lot of people are reporting say Pooley actually spoke with him and in a way manner a course instructed for the first Pooley and Cass and Papa and honorable Ignatius Bafo. And later on, no, among four no money to catch a police uncle Ignatius Acho. So Pooley no went and then also Ignatius Bafo 1 and 9 Epanacho. But still, I never fans and they still wanted to attack him because what did you a boss for them? And then they actually went, took him outside and started the AC. So some details are ever. It is a Pooley actually almost suspected or KBB. These are some of the investigations that I'm gathering. Say, it is true. Say, in such a my actual letter, Ghana Football Association said, "I'm going to withdraw a free Ghana League, you know, and now they said on the book." So there are a whole lot of developments are ever, and one is that two. Let me talk about the ambulance situation. Another investigations I hear about the ambulance in here. Who said the ambulance was at where Globe TV for no dressing room no aside, and then the incident happened at the opposite side. So when the incident happened, the ambulance driver got notice of the incident, and then on the next no ambulance rushed to see say on me a Pooley quick treatment and Nti omo the gloves na girl me share gloves there they started say no. That was where they took him through the Okada to where the ambulance was. And omo didn't free 1 point equal ambulance and chain. And some crowd omo didn't too. So at the time that no ambulance driver no way no. Ambulance driver no had followed the girl. I'm on about first into Okada didn't do ambulance and check and son driver approaches another investigation as a revealing and the amount based on the people that have called and the information I've got.
I know Hussein Adams and or they in some tuja with regards to and yama is your journalist or bonon and pata more. In fact, Osanso a eyewitness are not obeying who be now Shimwa Asama got to companion free can't yet and the also air canon difference and shed that enim. Yes, difference and shed enim. You're got to companion for no air canon. Yes, difference and shed enim crowd with in some way you so at the air to Jano. Yes, that is what is coming up. And yama air can't edit near and yet Freddy Agrokra. Not the tier any Kotoko chita phone being subufu. Sir Omo Ahu no mate. In fact, Chairman Ofosuware, Chairman Solukran so LG almost say Ora Ignatius Bafo ni fie and answer ote ben from some potamo enti omodia asem sebe eno mo kan ye kotu no. Yes na de ye kan eno no na supporters ni bi kran so ahase tre edit to social media said they really know bebia sa papaya ono na team no ye na dia no tie na or baby or tiania that in fact I don't want to say but you know what abufonia de niema airco euma emfa niema entu nti sisi anso arehosema ayese hu ni say Ghana Football Association the letter ba say o ma charge Kotoko ni nso atreman with breach of article 34(6)(d) of GFA Premier League regulation league tan time we are mobile we and the assembly are more regulation na of 2019 there no section 16(1)(e) na code 2019 following their match day 19 almost it is alleged that both clubs failed to control their players resulting in a brawl which constitute misconduct and bring the name of the game into disrepute. They have until Wednesday, February 5, 2025 to respond to the charges. Meanwhile, official reports and videos evidence regarding incidents surrounding the game are currently being reviewed, and additional charges will be offered in due course. Ghana Football Association almost the Omodia Bani and right to an that since what remind a release letter omo eche omonso edienase na ANCMPP ense emfata na ebase ya obi ache na adwen yenua ani din Edi Sadiq Adam Sports Obama minia prekopeno no ono nso ewo Angel 102.9 FM Accra nensem a odi tudwa efasa awudie we hu ni
ama match na kasa bebre na matobi going but producer say yam for we kakra ntwam die si wo nsu atre no ade ehu enti say support e kwhwe ball pacho mo the pictures in the video na mo fan to ma me ball a anigye obi a okwhwe ball okono oye sound oye hail oye hearty odini team anim na okodru park ne so video interview nyina wo yebi yebesamo ama match na omode build up na supporter yakowura stadium ho ama ball na akoso ama du baby pinche kakra eden aba ona edaso no team iko baby abrante di achi baby a Ghana ball na say adu no yemu bi ya say ya hore ense free home because ya kasa sa 18 years the Beyonce sign na last year na make our Angel TV so around October na asemi BS me say enche umbeku nipa to stadium those of you who remember me say the air course na enche umbeku nipa to stadium makaka catching na eshe yellow no na obeba be ye interviews see ya utu ona eshe yellow in green no ona gina ho no okuta bag ni ntie nya obi a ode aba na ase kan e course stadium ona na chi hwe ha no ewo nsu atre ama ye de sekan awo no kon ho ye se multiple stabs multiple ye de awo no Nemfe and a be one a minimum, be one a book. One sa more than 5 SK or 1 or 2 or 1 or 2 or we in Wajano. I'm a brantiano, was showing because of support. Now a brantiano worry, I guess, 5 months in here and no worry, 5 months, 20 feet of we are no worry. Now football no and what dear tree ama yako one second. Now in some man to kwano ebe start late minute in the game. Now Kosi Apia or your coach for Sudan national team na Kotoko member didn't know what is wrong. And a pinche by in tier 2 and Safred and say Omra Park and so no the supporters ne made Ebekasa. Now you see a 2 and Safred no. And the supporters no more Kotoko and say Adia Modia or Hano. Your team bus a crable real stadium, most of team bus in a day. Emba. In 10 years any day. Yeah, my coach in the so see park and so. And this Adiana Brandt and here now fan to Quanidia bar. Yes, say team manager of Unsiatre appointed so when you have in free stadium ho. Yen Pia no, ya bobo ye. A Brandt and ye didn't know much why didn't echo. Muntian you. Ya so ni mo ye didn't echo. I see upon ye see in Pia by upon dia. Ntinka senka ba stadium ho fa ne dia ankomde dwane ye. Supporters no so atano. Nti de ode sekane word no. Okọ achire enu okoyi sekan no a ode bae no ode be wo no. Nti ye de ne koka mu na ye ko wo ne sekan no. Ba cho
Yenyini mpie no.
Then ye de sekan ne ko wo no. Aha. Nti ho ne ko fa asem ne bae. Na asem wo nyina asi no blame kese no pa no. Eske wo de twan kakra aha say chuet na se. Blame kese no pa no. We a sporting story nti no me fa ne say me dem wo background kakra. Me di blame kese ne pa be ma Asante Kotoko no a omuni pa wu no. Areho de ba blame kese ne pa ye Asante Kotoko. Obi be ka sa adentia. Enioma ekoso nyina omu ka ho bi. Say omu and omu ye the biggest club in the country. Arguably the 2 biggest omu ka ho. Say omu di omu na ye si fom. Say enioma ekoso yi wo league yi mu yi. Ye bo league ye ni sponsor. Park ni nyina e tan. Ye ntwa ma TV so. Ye ko bo league obitimi ka say ye mamu ntwa ma TV so. Enemre mo a wotena ha hwe ball wo Spain, Italy, Saskatchewan. Ye hwe ball wo ho. Na wo Ghana de na ye bo no obitimi ka say boni a ye bedi nti ye mamu ntwa ma TV so. Say Asante Kotoko a omo ye panyi a wotifie. Eno nkoma ntimi anyai na nkare a kiebu na nkare foi ye nkan omo nka ho. Ene Asante Kotoko mpanyimfo nyina dane nkwala ama GF mpanyimfo. But mo club no ebaja GF. Club no ye tija GF. Ama matena ho. Ama team senketo bebre di mani matwitwi fom. Mo ne house of folk. Mo na mo masa niema we nyina asi. Se mo motwe mo ho free Ghana League no mu a ye mo. Ti se de ewo adwuma mu mpanyimfo bi wo ha. Sadia bi koso na omo anka na ekofa omo ho da bi a omo ntime complaini. Mo na mo de mo na nsi wo a mo adwuma no mu a mo ka se ade o yese ye ntomra adwuma mu ya nto na mo anka bi a enkola no mo ntimi nka. Enti Kotoko ene ye blameable kase power asem they are to be blamed. I also can no pay o match krata say league na ya twe ho afrim ye mo omo there is no league. Omo league na there is no league. But tisa Real Madrid ne Barcelona na omo ti wa na omo FNCC omo mienu be kan bom say ye mo South Africa Orlando Pirates ne Kaizer Chiefs omo timi kwaji skaba ne ya ticket to bia mo omo nyina omo say ye na ye ma amanfo aba stadium nti wo FNCC ntimi kwaji ska na won ticket to ama ye ne ye mo Ali ne Zamalek omo ne so omo kan bom say ye nye say ya ye nye Kotoko ne has e de omo anim aye nkwala na e de omo anim twitwi fom to the extent to say there is no how many clubs now Ghana how many supporters bet travel akwohwe league tantan we ba mo supporters di akiri kohwe
Ona bia Kotoko be ku.
hwe de akoye supporter yi o ware na anu ada o ene yakokuna to atwene kwa na yere nyim August ene wa ware o kohwe ball ya won se kan was stadium akuno nipa owo no ne yehu no because league na ye bo no sebi nyansa kra nim sikadim de omobo nyina hwe na so hwe na so nti gala kra ye bo no ma mo bi park no eho won faso che league amobo yi but Kotoko for the omanima ye nkwala nka mo ye club na club amansori atia Kwame Nkrumah club Kwame Nkrumah TV sorry na musuma sorry atia no enam di agroma efifo nkwala nketinketi bi edi manimu twetwi fom mo nkobo na mabo mo sorry na mo sorry musumu kasa mo mo a league na nkoso obi ani obedi league na tibiem enti mo na mbe sorry say ye pesa sponsorship ba league num ye pesa security ya tight ye pesa stadium nya fenya sa ye mo sa wo ye panyi wo adwuma bim no wantima nyusu o might ne wo influence na adwuma ne say ya wo ye part nti na me blame Kotoko se mo nipa wu anka o se ne mo esu ba mo na mo ka ho e na ama sa club nkitinkiti wei etimi kum nipa because mo na mo kum nipa anka no pai ka mo ntumi na kumase se Kotoko be kum obi supporter o kumase nka nsema e be ka dia fa ho e dia fra otumfo no ka mo ntumi na but why mo mpanyimfo ayem kwala mo mpanyimfo aso mo nko school da first no na Kotoko timi ko for GFA president be your secretary because club no so che GFA and na GFA for free Kotoko panyi so me under 17 chairman no dimirika yankumo sai nka by 8 a.m. na mo release statement say Kotoko has pulled out of the Ghana League yamo because se munipa na yakunu no se mani kuni ho a nka no pa mo de krata baba mo mpanyimfo no omo hye GFA fo botom nto mo ntumi ya hwe me say it is not worth it. League way and shape me life me life ne me football me dey achi majai hwe me mpo majai hwe because bi be kun kwa what is a terrorist ground a criminal enterprise krono no mo bowum omu cheske di omu wiedi at the expense of players ye nti omuka player obo Premier League nana 700 cedis a month eno kra ma 700
But no team ne
eno ko ye no no
Okay. Enti abusia said and 7 o'clock any adini nyina no on yenua nana Pooley ene washia enkwanhia ewo no na adwoa China lady na omoso orchestra TV bia no yes they say ni mfonya hyase circulate a lady called adwoa China a well known in Suatreman ni ono main corporate yes say ono ka ho bi na issue no esi ye ono ma etimi so now very arahosam wom and say said the enra me ka ye ka madwen yi na mesa to so Kotoko mpanyimfo said the Minia Sadiq Adams ka yi and I said this here Kotoko mpanyimfo atena and enei ye de omanim etwi fom Kotoko team kese sei ya die nyina eduru ba bia ese mutumi ka na anibre eba na mutumi hye niema no me pa cho muntimi enka hwe ene empanyimfo to ho just imagine say Kofi Adams I swearing in so a minister Nigeria fafa afre ye panyin odi etim anim say na nafo anim onyambra be kan ho bi ne enso ye de akiri ko this Kotoko guy oye hwan Kotoko guy oye hwan enso de nyansa bo akwa ene nam Kotoko hu na Kotoko fans enfili ni nyuma awoyo enso Kotoko mpanyimfo efili nsama wo mo efili de GFA no anaso wo follow wo niama omoye enti ayara hosem a very very bad issue and no how on earth must a cra you lose a cra at this juncture league 4 tantan way sika nim league 4 tantan way yentua sika ene de ade nyina no me pa cho moto honom ena sansem hunu we ekoso Kotoko mpanyimfo press conference na amabaye ye de atu dwai eno kura sha press conference ne sha adentina me see sha because of the fact say say moye bibi more than the moye no circus mpanyimfo ma no kran ko benkrom K5 de namha na chairman fosuare de namha you guys need to come together na mo to anom na base eniama amukeka na so basic mon charge wo team no so mo me charge wo team no so na yan ka no kra ba ko nkyere ho I like the kind of worker Ecosoft so far so good otumfo team wo ye amana ye fe kama na mom said the niama keka ko no enye saa na ese ye yo elusulusu akra ye ya ne saa ekro ebebo ye kase ye ne saa emwa enti abredru say ye sori waka na bibia timi wie peye eye bad na ya rehosem papa yan sorry ni anye team ensi ho yan sorry